one of the things we have to do in this RV while living here is try to make use of as much space as possible. So one of the things we don't need are like where these wonderful CRT TVs used to be. I'll probably create some sort of shelving in there so that we can actually utilize that space and not just leave this gigantic gaping hole. And they had another CRT TV tube, lovely 4.3, the Daewoo, in the glorious master bedroom here. Not like we have any other bedroom, it's just the only bedroom. But it's time. We're going to remove this and make some useful storage space out of it. So that is what I'm going to do right now. Oh, it's got a square tip. Need a different bit. Be right back. All right, maybe this tip will work. Maybe just a regular little square bit might be better. Yep, square bit worked better. What? No way. A remote? That's hilarious. Daewoo! Better question is, can't believe it's still connected. At least it's not plugged in. You know, the only thing we needed, this thing needed, it needed a VCR. Or maybe a Betamax. Betamax was the bomb. Oh, this is terrible. Actually, no. It's not like we're ever going to use this thing. Let's cut it. There. The holes just didn't line up, so let's just cut the cord. Shelly. Dust all over the bed. Hey, look at that. It's really bad. It's a lot of dust. Oh, man, this TV's huge. Sorry.
Back in the bed? Is that what it is? Just vacuum up under your feet. I can take that home and wash it if you think it needs to be washed.
Alright, that's it. I don't know what we're going to make up there. Shelly, what are we going to put up there?
Shoes?
Oh, there's way more room than just shoes.
I don't know. We'll figure something out.
We'll figure something out.
We need space.
Maybe that'll be the next video. What to do with the space. Maybe you should just tell us what to do with the space. What should we put here? Maybe this will just be one video I just put up. Like, hey, we took this TV out because that's what we did. What do you think we should do with this space? What is the best use of this space? Well, we should clear the cobwebs out. Ugh.